maths problem within the shortest time possible. So let us start with the solution. So we have 4 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of a is equals to 40. So we are asked to find the value for a. So the first thing now we need to factorize. So 4 to the power of a into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 40. So let's work out the number that is inside the bracket. So 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 40. So the next step is to divide both sides by 2, so that now we shall remain with 4 to the power of a. So 2 by 2 now shall cancel. So now 4 to the power of a is equals to 2 here once, 2 into 40 is 20. So is equals to 20. So for us to work out it very fast, we need to introduce the log on both sides. So here now we shall have the log of 4 to the power of a is equals to the log of 20. So assuming that we have the log of p to the power of m, this one can be written as m the log of p. So the log of 4 to the power of a can be written as a the log of 4 is equals to the log of 20. So divide both sides by the log of 4. So here divide by the log of 4, then also this side divide by the log of 4. So log 4 and log 4 shall cancel, so a is equals to the log of 20 all over the log of 4. So factorize log 20 all over the log of 4. So now we can rewrite it by now saying that a is equals to, so the log of 20 can be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 5, then all over the log of 4. So assuming that we have the log of a multiplied by m, this one can be written as the log of a then plus the log of m. So now we shall have a to be is equals to the log of 4 plus the log of 5, then all over the log of 4. So next we shall say that, so we shall divide each by the log of 4. So a is equals to the log of 4 all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 5 all over the log of 4. So now the value for a is equals to log 4 and log 4 cancel. So now we shall have 1 plus the log of 5, then all over the log of 4. So when you have, for example, the log of p all over the log of m, this one can be written as the log of p to the base of m. So our final answer now shall be a to be is equals to 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4. So this one now qualifies to be almost correct and the best answer. So let's now confirm this answer if it is indeed true. So our question was 4 to the power of a then plus 4 to the power of a is equals to 40. So instead of having a, we shall now have 4 to the power of 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4 plus again 4 to the power of 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4 is equals to 40. So the next now we shall do, we can now rewrite it by now having 4 to the power of 1 then plus means now we shall put the multiplication sign, then 4 again to the log of 5 to the power of 4, then plus here. So 4 to the power of 1, we shall have it as 4 to the power of 1. Then the plus changes to multiplication according to the law of logarithm. For the log of 5 to the base of 4 is equals to 40. So 4 to the power of 1 is 4, then multiplied by, so the log to the base of 4 cancel with this 4. So now we shall have 5, then plus 4 to the power of 1 is 4, then multiplied by, so the log to the base of 4 shall cancel this 4, then we shall now have 5 is equals to 40. So 4 multiplied by 5, now we shall have 20, then plus 20 is equals to 40. So 20 plus 20 is 40 is equals to 40. So it means that when you confirm our answer, it is correct now to say that the value for a, as we conclude, so the value for a is equals to 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4. So that is now makes our answer to be correct. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.